Textdrip Family, it's Tana here from the demo team. And today I'm going to be showing you all how to purchase additional phone numbers in your account. So let me go ahead and start sharing my screen with you all. So I know what you're probably thinking. Now, why would you purchase more numbers? Well, having multiple numbers can help you to expand your business by streamlining communication, being more efficient, and to help create boundaries and help to serve multiple locations. As an example, if you're reaching out to customers that are not local to you, sending them a text with a number that's local to them will actually help them to be more inclined to respond back to you. So to purchase a number, once your account is fully vetted, you can go up here to the top right-hand corner and click on your initial and go to where it says My Phone Numbers. Now, from here, you're going to click to where it says Add Number. Now, you will notice that each number is only 50 cents to purchase and 50 cents per month for each phone number. You can select the color for your phone number, put in an area code that you would like to request, or go in and choose a state. So today we're going to use California as an example, and then click on search. Once you click on search, the select a number box will appear. So that way you can scroll through and find the phone number you would like to actually send your text messaging or MMS messaging to your customers. I'm going to select this phone number here and then click on purchase. Once you click on purchase, you've now made the purchase of getting a new phone number. It's that easy. Now, you can purchase up to 49 numbers in your account. For more information on how to purchase a number or help, you can always click here on the help tab about how it works. You can go to textdrip.com or you can book a demo with me today. Now, subject to change as we continue to grow and update. Bye, everybody.